Hey folks, I'm Tony.
And I'm Tina.
And we're TNT RVing. So we're back here at Avalon RV Center in tropical Medina, Ohio.
It's a beautiful November day, but it is 65 degrees outside and it's bright and sunny.
So what are we checking out today, Teen?
We're checking out this brand new 2024 Rockwood Ultra Lite 2720IK, which is an island kitchen. So come on, let's check it out.
Alrighty, so this unit is 33 foot 1 inch in length, 11 foot 3 inches tall. So it's quite a long unit. The empty weight is 8,197 pounds. So the dry weight does not include your batteries or your propane. The GVWR, so the gross vehicle weight rating, is 9,778 pounds. So we're talking 3/4 ton truck here. All right, so dock lights. Right here's the dock light switch. And they do a great job with their front cap here, automotive windshield. And one neat thing with Rockwood, what they do is they get their front cap from a supplier, but they want complete control of when they're installing the front glass. So they do this in an environmentally controlled area. They set their glass in there, let it cure, so there's no issues. So that's one of the neat things that Rockwood does to protect themselves. And
this one's a little dirty because it just arrived. So we apologize. We didn't let them wash it. We just wanted to tour it.
So also this diamond plate, which is plastic, this I kind of like now, because if you do pick up a rock or something, it's gonna hit it, it's not gonna dent, which is nice. You've got room for 2 lead acid batteries, room for 2 30-pound propane tanks here as well. So your front jack here, you can manually override this by removing this plug here, and you put a speed handle in there and easily crank this up or down as needed. Coming around here, Teen, let's show them. Here is an extra port here. If you wanted to hook up an additional solar panel to help charge those batteries, you have the ability to do that. And of course, here is your switch for your power stabilizers. And I really am starting to like these. This is the PSX2 by Lippert. What's nice about this is this has 2 electric motors, one on either side. And the beauty of that is, if you're on unlevel ground and maybe your one side needs to go down a little further, it will do that for you. So I like that as well. There's a nice awning. You can see on the side, frameless windows. Here's a television mount. And you also have 2 rails here where you can put shelves on here. You could maybe speakers or whatever you want to do. Here's an outlet. Also cable satellite on the side here. LP disconnect. So if you choose to bring your griddle here and hook it up, you have an LP disconnect. Huge, wide front door, or side door. I like this door.
Not your front door.
Yeah, I guess it would be. And then you have your screen here that has that slingshot that closes on itself, or on its own. These steps, nice and wide. And MoreRide does a great job. These actually have a cylinder here that will lift the steps for you, help offset the weight of them. Does a nice job. And of course you have a great handle grab bar to help you up as well. So we're going to close that up. On the slide here, you have another awning, some speakers, another power outlet here, GFCI, and another frameless window. The beauty team in here, we have a nice little refrigerator. And check this out. And if you want, you can use, check this out, nice little prep area. Or, look at this.
And
you've got a burner. Yeah, and a nice burner here. And it has these little wind shields here, which help. So if you're cooking up some eggs in the morning or what have you, you could do that. And here's your little prep space and stuff.
Or if you're cooking up eggs in the morning.
So that I do like as well. And that just easily stows away like so. And I do like this. This is kind of nice.
I do like that too.
Something up here, you could use that as a nice little prep as high, which I like. So, and easily, you can put it away. You don't need it. Another LP disconnect right here. Of course, here's your exhaust for your range right here. And we'll leave that closed. Right here's your intake and exhaust for your furnace. And here's your rear switch for your rear stabilizers, which are right underneath there as well. Alrighty, let's come along the back, and I want to share with you what this looks like. I like how they put these hard covers now on the spare tire. Up top here, we're prepped for Furion camera. This ladder, by the way, is 250-pound capacity, which is real nice. So let's go up top and take a look at that.
Okay, here.
Alrighty, up top here we got 2 AC units. In between there, you got your Maxxair vent fan, 2 solar panels. There's your wine guard antenna, shower dome. Here's in the back here, you have a rear vent. There's also, what is it, gray tank vent there. And on this side, you've got 2 slide toppers. And check this out. Yes, a slide topper on that side as well. So let's go back down. Alrighty. So back down on the ground, we have this nice receiver and this hitch here, 300-pound capacity. So if you want to put a tray or you want to put a bike rack, it's capable of carrying 300 pounds. On this side here, here's where your 50 amp power is. There's your connection there. And then this is where they put the outside water as well. And this has that connection. It's a quick disconnect where you have that coiled hose. So that's where that is. And team, let's go down. I'm going to show them what the underside looks like.
Okay.
So let's do that. All right, so underneath here, we have a fully enclosed underbelly. And this has that radiant foil. It's insulated. They do a real nice job sealing things up. You can see this foam here to help prevent any kind of rodents and stuff getting in there. This here is your gray tank number 2 drain. And up front, you can see your Dexter torsion axles. It's got the never adjust brakes. And of course, the Goodyear Endurance tires, aluminum rims. And that also has a tire pressure monitoring system. And here's your lipper rack and pinion slide. And let's go back up top. So of course, more frameless windows. You got a nice big slide topper on this slide as well. Here's your low point drain. Tina, I want to show them that. So that's right here, these two. And then right here is your gray tank drain T-handle for up front. And your sewer. And keep in mind, all of these tanks are going to be heated. There's a heat pad on them along with the outlets. So when you get in those cold temperatures, you just flip the switch and they'll not freeze up. Over here we got a Suburban water heater. And then here's your fresh water tank fill. You have your city water connection, your black tank flush, antifreeze inlet, of course cable, satellite, and a nice little light here. So when you're hooking up at night, at least you get some light.
That's cool.
So on this slide up here, oh, I didn't point out the freshwater tank drain.
Oh, okay.
That's freshwater tank drain is going to be right over here, right there. So that's where that is. Here we go. And then storage, Tina. This is your outside storage.
So this is underneath the bed. So.
And here
nice
you've got your Suburban griddle, which is nice there. And you can see the aluminum frame construction Rockwood uses there. And then here's your table. It's magnetically held on.
Yeah, that shelf that goes on that ledge on the other side.
So they put a couple magnets there to hold that in place while you're traveling.
Nice.
And some tools as well are magnetically held here as well. So, Tina, I think that kind of sums up the outside. Do you want to show us what the inside looks like?
Absolutely.
Let's go check it out.
Okay.
Alrighty, so here's another view of the exterior.
Come on inside. But before you do, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to TNT RVing. right when you walk in, you've got the RV panel here. This is awesome. It has a motion sensor, so it will light up when you walk by. You can open up your awnings here as well as your slides. You can turn on your water heater and your electric and your pumps and your tank heaters, all of that, as well as you can now see when the lights are on your awning, your step light, your interior. If it's blue, it's on. If it's white, it's off. You can see your tanks if they're full without having to push those stupid little buttons, which we really like. And it also has your battery level here as well. So here's the solar controller here, as well as your thermostat, as well as the converter is down here, as well as your fire extinguisher here. But this RV panel here, you can access all of this with the RV app on your phone, which is pretty slick. So if you come on in this way, so this unit has an amazing floor space, which is great if you have kids or pets, because it's a great space for them to play or hang out, what have you. You have your theater seating here, as well as, you can see this is nice. This has the 2 shades. It has the night shade as well as the day shade, which I really like these. I think that really filters the light nicely. It has a great little reading lamp here, which turns on. So that's pretty cool. I like that. You can charge your phone. These recline nicely. I think I can reach in there, pull it out without breaking a nail. So these are awesome. The only thing that's different now with the 2024 models is this does not lift up. So this does not turn into a little couch. You do have your permanent theater seating, which is fine because all you're going to do is sit and watch TV. So over here, you have your dinette, which, you know, we like dinettes, even though we don't have one ourselves, but we think they're pretty slick and would be really handy for those nights when it's raining outside and you want to eat in. This will fold down into a bed, but look at this unit has a lot of storage space, starting with big drawers here. You have another one on this side. What's really cool about this unit that I really like is if you're working from the road, you have a little desk space here. And you do have, here, I'm gonna stand over here. This is your power tower here. So you have this, can pull up here. You can set up your laptop. Nice. It has a cute little seat here, or you could put in a better chair if you really work in here for a long period of time. You might want some more back support. But there's a strap down there where you can strap in either this seat or another chair. You have nice storage space up here as well as down here. You can put your files or what have you in there, which is pretty cool. I really like this. And it also gives you a nice window out the back. So when you're backed into your campsite, you have a great view of like water view or what have you.
I like that. I
like that a lot too. Okay, so here you have your really super awesome little desk space area and you transition into the kitchen. And in here you have an awesome little pantry here. Now imagine you're sitting at your dinette and you want to get something from your refrigerator. These great Magic Chef refrigerators now open here. So I could grab it from sitting over there. Or if I'm working in the kitchen, I come over here and it will open on this side as well. I think this is really cool. And the freezer opens the same way. It opens that way as well as that way. It's pretty cool. And then you transition into the island area of this island kitchen unit. And this is awesome. You have a great cute island with the solid countertops. And it has this great single basin. Look how huge this is. This is really nice. Very nice. Really fun lighting in here as well. I do like this. I would actually might put chairs down there. But you have this space over here as well. You've got awesome storage space here. You've got your stovetop, which opens like so. These do come off, so they do clean easily, which is really nice. But this is awesome. It has these little grippies now, so when you're traveling, this closes very snugly. So that's really nice. We still would strap it down, but so it doesn't pop open. But the oven itself, look at that nice space there.
Nice size.
And it has a drawer under here, as well as awesome storage under here as well as under your sink. This is pretty amazing. That's huge, actually. Yeah, there's a lot of storage in there. So you have this counter space here, which with the microwave sticking out, I would use this probably to put small appliances and things as opposed to using it as prep space. You can use this as prep space as well as over here. You walk into your living room over here and you have this amazing television set that does come up when it's down. You have this awesome window with the 2 blinds, which I think is pretty nice. Mm-hmm. Does have your sound bar here with your speakers as well as your electric fireplace down here with the fake stone, which I think is aesthetically pleasing. So that you have this huge wall space here, which is nice. You can add your own artwork and make the space your own. But as you walk down the hallway, here's your bathroom, which is a pretty nice size for this unit. So it does have the dual access doors from your master into the hallway, but you have your rounded shower, your corner toilet, this cute medicine cabinet here. Nice counter space on the sink. I do like this a lot.
That is nice.
Yeah, nice fixtures as well. There's a cabinet here, which you can come in and take a look at. But before you do that, there's a little bit of space under here. You have your outlet here. And I like this little light switch here where you have your toe kick lighting. I like that for it in the middle of the night when you have to go to the bathroom. Instead of flicking on the huge light, you can just flick on that light. So, but Tony, you want to show them that cabinet?
Yeah, right here. Plenty of storage, and down below is your water pump and stuff. And then I'm going to go this way.
And then as you come in to, before you do this door here, there's a magnet on the door thing at the bottom, so it will stay open, which is really nice. But you have your full queen here, which is awesome. Lots of space around both sides to walk around. I do like that a lot. You have great cabinet space up here. I wish these would open the other way. I actually would prefer them to open this way, but that's my personal opinion. But you have these great little lights here for reading, and you have little USB port things up here as well, so you could charge it in the middle of the night. That being said, over here, you have a big window here because this is the front of your RV, but you have your inverter here, as well as your USB port, as well as more outlets. And on that side as well. You have that great little cubby space there. But you have all this cubby space here, cabinet space over here, all this drawer space. It's just loaded with storage areas. And you've got this great wardrobe here, which has the hanging, there's a hanging rod way up there. So this is really nice. Very nice. Got your air conditioning up there as well. This does lift up, and then under the bed is also how you access that storage space outside. So I can do that, I think. Maybe not.
Help.
You know what? There's a there. Oh, I was just going to grab the handle. So there, and then you have these 2 huge drawers underneath here that will have more storage. So. Like, why is that making so much noise? Your television set is over here. And you have another window here. So you have, and this also, in your face, this is your, I'm going to pull this up, because this is also your emergency exit window. But you have more counter space.
It's nice.
This has got a lot of storage space in it. I really like it. It does. So we don't have enough battery power on our battery pack to pull all these slides in, but this slide here, the big giant slide, will pull in, and you will not have access to your refrigerator, and this one will pull in. So they'll both pull into about here at the island. So you will still have access to your bathroom, but you will have to carry a cooler in your car because you will not be able to access your refrigerator.
Well, there you have it, folks.
That was the 2024 Rockwood Ultra Lite 2720IK.
I hope you found this video helpful, useful, entertaining possibly, and if you did, I appreciate it if you'd subscribe to TNT RVing.
If you're interested in this RV or any other RV on the Avalon website, please give them a call. Give us a big thumbs up, a like, and we'll see you at the campground. TNT.